Vacuum. PE hangers are cutting-edge tools for penis enlargement, blending vacuum tech with weight hanging for effective results. Today, I'll guide you on using this advanced device for maximum gains. Unlike compression hangers, vacuum hangers evenly distribute tension, offering a comfortable stretch. This design supports longer sessions and potentially greater gains over time. Start with a warm shower or heat wrap for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood flow and tissue flexibility. Apply a small amount of water-based lubricant inside the vacuum cup to create a seal without slippage. Insert your flaccid penis into the vacuum cup and use the pump to create negative pressure. Ensure the vacuum is strong enough to secure your glands, but not cause discomfort or discoloration. Attach weights to the hanger's connection point. Beginners should start with 1 to 2 pounds for 15-minute sessions, gradually increasing weight and duration. Advanced users may work up to 5–10 pounds for 30-minute sessions over months. Monitor for numbness, cold sensation, or discoloration, and remove the device if these occur. Proper sensation and warmth indicate healthy blood flow and effective stretching. Aim for 4 to 5 sessions weekly with at least 2 rest days for optimal results. Most users notice gains after 3–6 months of consistent practice. Remember, penis enlargement is gradual, requiring patience and proper technique. With consistent use, significant and permanent length gains are achievable.